All right, let's jump right into one of the most clever and honestly most important tricks in all of artificial intelligence.
I mean, think about it. Both sentences use the exact same words, right? But just by swapping two of them, the meaning completely flips. Now, for us, that's super obvious. But for an AI, this is a really tough puzzle to crack.
So what makes this so tricky for AI? Well, it all boils down to how a certain type of AI, the really powerful ones called transformers, actually read language. See, when we read, we go one word at a time, in order. But a transformer, it's totally different. It looks at the entire sentence all at once, instantly. It sees every single word at the exact same moment. This makes it super fast, but it also creates a huge blind spot. It doesn't naturally understand the sequence. It's like it gets all the ingredients for a cake, but has no idea what the recipe is.
So, how do you teach order to something that sees everything at once? How do you explain first, second, and third to a system that's kind of built to ignore it?
Well, the solution is actually pretty simple and kind of genius. Just think of it like a little numbering trick.
Okay, so you take your sentence, man bites dog. Then you just attach a little tag to each word that tells the AI its position. So man gets a tag that says, I'm number 1. Bites gets, I'm number 2. And dog gets, I'm number 3. Suddenly, the AI isn't just getting the word, it's getting the word plus its specific address in the sentence.
And this simple but really powerful idea has a technical name. It's called positional encoding. At its core, it's just a clever mathematical way of stamping each word with its precise location in the line.
You know, this one little trick is what changes everything. It's how the AI stops seeing just a random jumble of words, what some people call a bag of words, and starts to understand the actual structured meaning of language. And believe me, this isn't just some minor fix. It's a foundational piece of the entire puzzle.
And if you look here, you can see exactly where this fits into the big picture. This is a diagram from the original, game-changing paper that introduced the transformer model. And check it out. Right there, at the very beginning, before anything else even happens, you see positional encoding getting added in. It's not an afterthought, it's literally one of the very first, most critical steps.
So why does this matter so much? Well, without this, the relationships between words just get lost. The AI would be terrible at grammar and couldn't figure out context. This one elegant solution is the key that unlocks pretty much everything we see today, from accurate machine translation all the way to those incredibly powerful models like ChatGPT that we're all using.
So the next time you see an AI write a perfectly structured sentence, you'll know the secret. It all comes back to a simple, clever trick for telling the difference between man bites dog and dog bites man. It's a simple idea that prevents a world of confusion for AI.